In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off your YouTube watch history. So this can be done in a couple of minutes, so let's jump into it. So what you want to do is first open up YouTube, and then just make sure you're logged into the correct channel that you want to turn history off on. Then go to your channel icon in the bottom right hand corner, and that will obviously take you to this window. Now from here, you want to find the settings cog, which as of the recent update is in the top right hand corner. So go ahead and then click on that. Now, once you're inside of settings, you want to then look for manage all history. So it's here, it's kind of like in the middle of the screen. So go ahead and click on that. And once you've done that, it will take you into your YouTube history settings. Now from here, you want to click on saving your YouTube history. So go ahead and click on that. Now, what's going to happen here is it's going to bring you to the YouTube history window. Now, what you need to do is go to the top right hand corner and just make sure you're logged in to the correct account. So I'm going to click on my KnowledgeBase channel. And you can see we've now got the KnowledgeBase logo in the top right hand corner. Now I know that I'm looking at the settings for the right account. Now we can go back to saving your YouTube history. And from here we can go ahead and go to YouTube history and click the turn off button. And that's going to essentially pause your YouTube history and realistically turn it off until you turn it back on. So just go ahead and click pause in the bottom right hand corner. And once you've done that, your YouTube history will be turned off. And if you want to turn it back on again, just click turn on. That's all you have to do. I hope that helped you out.